Active meditation, Kundalini yoga. A lot of people find that the idea of meditation is daunting because they have a hard time with sitting still and clearing their minds. Many of us like to be active and stay busy, and feel that maybe sitting around in silence is a waste of time. While that is arguable, those that truly believe this to be true may find that there are more benefits for them in practicing Kundalini yoga meditations over other types of meditation. Kundalini yoga meditation does require a bit more training and skill than will be covered in this video, but with the help of resources that are devoted to this particular discipline, you may find that you are able to gain a calmness of mind and spirit while also fueling your need for your body to stay moving and productive. Even if you aren't the kind of person who thinks meditation is too slow or boring or a waste of time, you can enjoy the benefits of Kundalini yoga meditations for yourself. There is something very uplifting about being able to take time out of the day to focus on important things, like your health and well-being. Putting time aside to exercise is a great way to enhance your mood, and adding mantras that are affirming and healthy is a great way to make sure that your sessions really set a good tone to your day. Many places offer courses in Kundalini yoga, and you can find videos online to help you begin getting invested in the practice. There are also books and guided meditations available through retail outlets all over the world. If you find yourself interested in Kundalini yoga meditation, you may find that it is incredibly beneficial. There are hundreds of benefits in combining physical practice with mental wellness. Active meditation with Kundalini yoga. Yoga is another practice that has been around for centuries. It is as old, probably, as meditation itself, and can be learned about in the Vedas as well. Kundalini is considered a concentration of divine energy that can be harnessed through meditation. It is said to rest at the base of the spine. Whether you believe in divine energy or not, utilizing Kundalini yoga meditation is great, as it has a tried and true method of breathing, utilizing mantras, and stretching that leaves the practitioner feeling refreshed and ready for a new experience. While it is impossible to cover the breadth of this very intricate meditation practice in one chapter, it can at least be said that Kundalini yoga meditations are a great way to get in tune with yourself and the world around you. If you find you are receptive to the spiritual teachings of Kundalini yoga, all the better for you. It can help to give you a grounding, guiding force in your life and help you to see value in the world around you through the lens of a yoga practitioner. Either way, Kundalini yoga meditation is a great option for anybody who is hoping to get themselves centered and focused on positive energies rather than staying in the same slump or routine day in and day out. It is an art that can be utilized in many forms and that can hold a lot of personal value to the person practicing if given the right devotion, so if you choose this style of meditation, it is certain you will find a benefit in it that you can hold on to.